This is a workout training that could be very useful for your tricks, but also for your power moves, especially for your flare up. I still need to improve most of the exercises in this video. Feel free to try this training if you are in a similar strength level as mine. If it's too hard, you can make it easier and adjust it based on your level. And of course, if you're stronger than me, you can make it more advanced. Up to you. You can just take the basic structure of this training and customize it yourself. I was in Australia, Perth. It's a very calm city. It was my first time in Australia, and I found this little spot with some bars. I also did some muscle ups and some pull-ups or some front levers, stuff like that. But it was just extra, so it's not gonna be part of this training. need help for some specific moves such as flares, air flares, swipes or windmills, check out the PDF guides I made. I will leave the link in the description, and let me know if you want to see more of these videos.